This is Claudia. I'm Claudia Raschke. I'm a cinematographer. I shoot documentaries, feature films, and art films. When Canon invited me to participate in their educational outreach program here at Indiana University, I felt incredibly honored.
It really benefits students to be able to work with somebody who has been producing amazing documentaries like RBG or Fauci or Julia.
I think the best thing as a student is just to learn from people that have been in the business, and Claudia has been a great example of that.
Seeing somebody that's actually out in the field doing work like this and hearing their story, where they came from, how they started, it's really inspiring.
Lighting the subject is an easy situation. Lighting the background needs finesse.
I was a participant in the lighting workshop. We helped set up a scene and do different lighting techniques.
After seeing how Claudia gets very creative with different types of lighting, I really enjoyed seeing her in action and seeing her make a room come to life in a way that I didn't expect.
Not only can you gain the confidence to be comfortable lighting someone or a subject or something, but you have the chance to stylize it and make it your own.
We just so appreciate Canon bringing Claudia in. To have an industry professional come in and say, oh, well, that's okay, but have you thought about this? And she did that with every single student and every single project.
In the Verité workshop, we were learning to capture what was happening around us.
Biggest muscle strength of cinema verite is good composition and exact framing.
There's a lot of action, and you got to think in a 360-degree environment.
Claudia showed us that it's your instincts, it's what you believe and what you should follow. What would your eye follow is what your movement should be.
We had a special treat for the students, the C300 Mark III, full sets of cine primes, as well as the 18-80 compact zoom. The students really got such a kick out of having the camera in their hand with a cine prime.
I was astounded, stunned, shocked. Looking through a prime lens, it felt like I was thrown into the deep end. You can't zoom in and out. You have to go in and out physically yourself, so it's kind of this crazy game of just balancing yourself.
When you are using a prime lens, you have to be reactive. And if students learn that right away, then they're going to be much better and much freer to decide where to position themselves to capture the moment.
With this program, they're able to get one-on-one time with Claudia and be able to get feedback on their work and their portfolios.
I'm working on a short film right now about pickles, and Claudia literally sat across from me and critiqued my project. My project now has a new vision thanks to that conversation we had.
The technology is changing, and Canon can provide an update at different universities in the United States. Kind of like, your finger on the pulse. And having that connection and that feedback is invaluable. I had a wonderful body of students who were eager to participate, and it was a great collaboration for all of them to learn and to share their ideas to come up with a beautiful result.
I think it was really special having Claudia come and speak to us about her life, her work, and I'm just overall grateful for it.
Claudia wants to see the next generation of storytellers come out better, stronger, and keep doing what they care about.
Having somebody who has done what they've done for so long provides an insight that I can't get from my peers, because we're all beginners, but now I feel a little bit more confident and comfortable in my ability to create my stories.
Bringing together people who are active in the field to students who are still learning creates a synergy and a connection that can last a lifetime.